We always find easy to solve simple mathematical questions like 5 square minus 4 square, that is 9. But whenever we find any bigger value like 80 square minus 79 square, then we always have to use calculator, and we cannot find it easy to solve this bigger value. After careful analyzing, we just see that this is only a plus b and a minus b formula. So by careful observation, you will see that if whenever you come across this type of value like 5 square minus 4 square, the difference between 5 and 4 is 1, and both are having square values and they are having minus sign in between them. So instead of taking square of 5 and 4, you just have to add 5 and 4 and you will get the answer 9. Similarly, for 91 square minus 90 square, simply add 91 and 90, you will get the answer 181. Similarly, for 75 square minus 74 square, just add 75 and 74 and you will get 149. 1000 square minus 999 square, just add 1000 and 999 and you will get 1999. Mind it, this way of understanding is only for the values when the difference between them is 1, like 553 square minus 552 square. Both are having one value difference and both are square values also. Just add 553 and 552 and you will get the answer. Few more examples. 29 square minus 28 square, just add 29, 28 and you will get 57. This is simple and easy way to solve the bigger values, and you will get rid of calculator if you carefully analyze and observe the values, and you will find the solutions.